What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another video. This time it's going to be on the BMW, the 2 Series. I'm actually pretty excited about this video because it's going to be the first video of the 2 Series on the channel, and we're actually installing a new part today. I got this new gloss black rear sport diffuser from NINTE. I think it was about 250 bucks, free shipping. It came within about a week or so. Looks like it has all the points here for mounting, all the different hardware points. Throw in the little clips for the top. About, I don't know, probably about 10-15 of those. So we'll be installing this. My buddy's actually going to be coming by here to wash his car at the same time. So he'll be pulling up. He's driving a newer, I think it is 2018 BMW 540. So B58. He just picked it up about a month ago. It's X-Drive. So we'll be taking a look at that too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the BMW pulled out, clear out some space in the back, and get started putting on this new rear diffuser. So I'm gonna put it in neutral, let it kind of roll forward. And that should be enough space back there. Alrighty. So my buddy Andrew just got here. He's got the 540. Like I said, he just picked this up about a month ago.
Two months.
And then yeah, just pulls up and he's already got, you know, dyno exhaust, redone the front bumper a little bit, new front grille. So yeah, surprised me a little bit. Pulling up, I didn't even know he already done all this to the car. It looks good.
It's a little bit of a secret.
Just a little bit. It's the first time you've been able to come over here and wash it.
It's been the first time I've been able to get a car out since last November.
Yeah?
December?
Oh yeah. Alright, we're back here on the 2 Series. So there's 6 8mm. There's one over here, 2 here, 2 more, and then one last one down here. Alright, we'll go ahead and take these 8mm screws out. Also have these pull tabs right here on each end, and one right here. I'll go ahead and grab the tool, pull those out. Alright, so this should just start popping out here. Alright, we got the old one off. Alright guys, so I discovered those push pin holes are not drilled out on the new splitter. So I'm just going to take my drill those out real quick so I can still put that same hardware right back in. Well, that was pretty easy. I think it was already pre-drilled, just needed that final push. Yep, very easy. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy back on. All right, let's get this new one lined up. All right. Almost broke it. I think Andrew's over here.
Like a fat guy to hold the bumper in place.
Only the screw would thud in. Alright, let's see if this push will go in now. Oh, the damn pin is in there. Alright guys, so after messing around with it for a while, finally got the bumper to fit up pretty good. All the hardware is back in. Everything went right back in where it was supposed to go. There was a little bit of manipulating of the exhaust shield, but we got all that kind of sorted. And then it was a very tight fit, so I kind of had to get this side pressed in and then kind of work it in across the side and then pull it all so it would all kind of fit up on this side as well. But overall looks really good. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. The new rear diffuser from NINTE, that's N-I-N-T-E, was honestly super easy to install. Everything lined up perfectly with the mounting points and clips. The all black gloss finish against the gray paint makes the back end pop much more and definitely gives a sportier look compared to the original paint matched diffuser. I really appreciate you guys continuing to watch and support the channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one.